Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to the 13th episode of Self Portrait series. And by saying 13th, what I mean is if you haven't watched the previous 12 videos of self portrait ideas, you have to watch those videos after you're done watching this video. Obviously, I have linked every videos in the description box and also on the I button, so please go check out those videos if you haven't watched. Also, you should follow me on my Instagram because you will get more picture ideas and pose ideas there too. So this is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed, so please go follow me there right now and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to watch more such content. And with saying all this, now let's get into the video. Now before going ahead with the very first picture, I want to answer two of the most asked question. The very first question is what I use to click my pictures. So I use my phone, which is Redmi Note 8 Pro, to click my pictures and to edit my pictures, and also I shoot my videos with my phone too. So yeah. And the second question is what I use to edit my pictures. So I use Lightroom to edit all my pictures, and for some pictures I use PicsArt, Snapseed and the app called Snow. So I have made 6 videos on how I edit my pictures, so I have linked every videos in the description box as well as on the I button. So if you are interested, you can check out the videos after you're done watching this video. Obviously ये वीडियो अभी छोड़ के मत जाना. So for the first picture, I am wearing this black top, and you are going to need a sari, and let me show you how to drape this sari because it's not going to be a regular draping. First, take the middle part of the sari, take it from the behind and start tucking it in from both the sides. Then take the safety pin and secure it like this. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you guys will understand by seeing it. You just need to wear it and you need to do this with both the sides. Now here I'm gonna sit, and here I'm gonna keep my phone upside down. And this is what you need to do with the sari. When the timer is at 1 second, start throwing the sari like this. Keep doing it, and after so many attempts, I finally got some pictures like this. And once you are comfortable with it, you can try different poses with your hands, and this is the after editing pictures. Now as you can see, I have changed the sky. My phone has this feature to change the sky, and after changing the sky, I have edited these pictures on Lightroom. But if your phone doesn't have this feature, you can use this app called Lightly. I'm not going to show you how to use that app in this video because I have already showed it in my previous video, so it doesn't make any sense to repeat that in this video too. So in case you want to know how to use that app or how I changed the sky, you have to watch the previous video, which is this one. I have linked the video in the description box, so after you're done watching this video, you can obviously check that video. So for the next picture idea, I did something on my face. So this is what the makeup looks like. Not makeup actually, this is what I have done to click this picture, and I stuffed these petals with the help of the Fevicol, but instead of Fevicol you can use Vaseline because Fevicol, this is not right for your skin, for your face actually. So yeah, please don't use Fevicol on your face. You can use Vaseline, that works well. I didn't have Vaseline right now, so yeah. So choose a place where you can get this kind of aesthetic kind of shadow, I mean you can see, and then tap and hold to lock the exposure, and here I am reducing the exposure so that the shadow will be more apparent and the only subject of the picture should be your face. Then take a flower and hold it close to the camera and pose, and yeah, this is how the pictures have turned out. And now I am going to edit this picture on the app called Snow. So here you will find plenty of filters and effects for free. So yeah, this is the final results. And I am done with the shoot. It's been 10 minutes. I clicked the pictures within 10 minutes, which is great. And now I'm gonna quickly remove this because it's hurting my eyes so bad. So I just removed the petals and my makeup, and before getting ready for the next picture, I want to pamper my skin a little because first I was shooting outside. I was in the direct sunlight for a really long time, and right after that you just saw me torturing my skin with the glue and color. So it is very much needed for my my skin. So the very first thing I am going to use is obviously a face wash. So the face wash I am going to use is this one. This is the Mamaearth Upton face wash for tan removal. Now as you know, I have to click pictures every alternative day for Instagram, and I love to click pictures in the sunlight, and it can cause sun damage and sun tan. So I have been using these products from 2 to 3 weeks, and I am in love how my skin is reacting. This face wash has turmeric and saffron extracts in it, and it also has walnut beads which deeply cleanse and exfoliates your dead skin cells. So I am going to take a generous amount of the face wash and gently kind of massage it on my face, because it has walnut beads in it, so it kind of works as a scrub too. So I am just gently scrubbing my chin, my nose and my forehead area. It smells so good guys, like pure turmeric saffron kind of smell. The texture of the face wash is so rich and thick, it literally feels like Upton, and after washing your face you won't even feel like you have used a face wash. It leaves your skin super clean, fresh, plumpy, healthy and does not dry out your skin. So it definitely works as it claims, and I am in love with this face wash you guys. And right after using the face wash, I like to use the Mamaearth Upton face mask twice or thrice a week. It also has turmeric and saffron in it, and it also has apricot oil. So I am taking a generous amount of the face mask and spreading it evenly all over my face, and don't forget your neck too. You can even apply it all over your body, like your hands, on your feet, etc, etc, wherever you have tan and all. And it also smells like as the same as the face wash. It helps exfoliate, soothe and reduce tan, and gives you a glowing, healthier looking skin. Now keeping it for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then washing it off with water. My skin literally feels so soft, plumpy and glowy. By the way, this product suits all the skin types, so no matter what skin type you have, even if you have sensitive skin, you can use these products. All the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals like silicone and paraben, and they are made of natural ingredients. Also, you should know about their Plant Goodness initiative. So basically, when you will buy anything from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. They will also send you the geolocation, the picture and the species of the tree. So isn't that so cool? Mamaearth also is a plastic positive brand, which I absolutely love about them. They recycle way more than plastic than they use. You can use my code, which is fall2021, to get a 20% discount on your purchase at their website mamaearth.in. Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon, Purple and Nykaa. For the next picture idea, I am wearing a sari and you are going to need some flowers, and this is what my setup looks like. So I have used this beige tone sari as my backdrop and kept a stool and this vase full of roses, and I'm gonna sit right here and I'm gonna keep my phone right here. And here are some pose ideas to try out. Just be yourself, keep giving this kind of expressions, and yeah, these are the results. And these are the final pictures after editing. I have edited them on Lightroom. Watch my Lightroom editing tutorial to know the basic editing tutorials or how I edit in Lightroom. Links are in the description box. For this picture idea, I am wearing this yellow top and you are going to need a dupatta. I am taking a yellow dupatta as the same color as the top. But this is not necessary, you can use any colored dupatta. So for the backdrop, I am using two different color dupattas as well, and keeping my phone right here, and then start throwing the dupatta randomly like this. Keep throwing the dupatta, and yeah, these are the results and these are the after editing. Also, here are some more picture ideas that you can try out. These are super simple to click, guys. So for the next picture, this is what I am wearing, and you are going to need two bunch of flowers, and you have to keep one bunch of flowers very close to the camera, and you have to hold another bunch of flowers in your hand. And I forgot to record the screen, so this is what the final pictures turned out. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, do shop or do check out Mamaearth products. The links are in the description box down below. Share this video with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please do follow me there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.